Today I'll be teaching you guys how to remove your admin from Facebook page. So it's pretty simple. First you want to click on menu at the bottom right. Now you want to switch into your Facebook page account. For that, click on pages and click on the Facebook page. Mine's HTG, but yours could be anything. Once you click on it, click on switch, and just like this you will be switched into your Facebook page account. Once you switch into that, you need to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. From inside menu, you can see this option called professional dashboard. Click on it, and from over here scroll all the way down and click on this option called page access. From inside page access, the top one where it says Kevin, Vichy and Abhinav. Kevin Vichy is me, so I cannot remove myself from the page, but Abhinav is another admin which I added on this page. So if I want to remove him, I can click on the three dot right beside his name and click on remove from page. Once I click on remove from page, I need to enter the password of my Facebook page. So I will do that real quick. After you enter the password, just click on confirm, and the person is going to be removed from your page just like this. His name is no longer over here, which means I just removed him. So that is how you guys can remove admin from your Facebook page. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.